This video is about L'Hopital's rule. Using L'Hopital's rule to find the limit. After we plug 0 into these expressions, we got 0 over 0. So we can use this L'Hopital's rule equals limit as x approaches 0 of. We do know tangent u prime equals secant square u times u prime. So for tangent 3x prime equals secant squared 3x times 3. So we got 3 secant squared 3x minus 3 times secant squared x sine 3x prime equals cosine 3x times 3 because of chain rule. 3 cosine 3x minus 3 cosine x equals limit as x approaches 0. We found the common factor is 3. So reduce. Then secant x equals 1 over cosine x. So secant squared 3x is 1 over cosine squared 3x minus 1 over cosine squared x all over cosine 3x minus cosine x equals limit as x approaches 0. Let's simplify the top. Since a over b plus or minus c over d equals, cross multiply to the top, ad plus or minus bc, denominator multiply bd. So we got cosine squared 3x times cosine squared x, cross multiply cosine squared x minus cosine squared 3x all over cosine 3x minus cosine x. This is a complex fraction. Since a over b over c over d, the denominator will jump to the bottom or to the top, so that we can get AD times BC. This go to the denominator. Then for cosine squared x minus cosine squared 3x, we can factor. This is those factoring. A squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. Therefore, limit as x approaches 0 of cosine x plus cosine 3x times cosine x minus cosine 3x all over cosine 3x minus cosine x times cosine squared 3x times cosine squared x. Then we can reduce these two because a minus b over b minus a reduce is negative 1. So we got negative 1 here equals limit as x approaches 0 of cosine x plus cosine 3x times negative 1 all over cosine squared 3x times cosine squared x. This time, we will plug 0 into these expressions. To the top, since cosine 0 equals 1, we got 1 plus 1 times negative 1. Denominator 1 times 1 equals negative 2. Let's go to question 4. Use L'Hopital's rule to determine this limit. First of all, we will plug 0 into the top. E to the 0 power is 1 plus cosine 0 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. So numerator equals 0. Denominator, you plug in 0 into this x, still 0. So we got 0 over 0. We can use L'Hopital's rule. Limit as x approaches 0 of. We do know e to the u's power prime equals e to the u's power times u prime. So e to the power of negative 3x squared prime equals e to the negative 3x squared times negative 6x, because negative 3x squared prime equals negative 6x. Negative 6x times e to the negative 3x squared plus 3 times cosine 2x prime equals negative sine 2x times chain root 2x prime equals 2. So times negative 2 sine 2x. 4 prime is 0 all over. 3x squared is 6x. We have a common factor is 6. So reduce this 6 first. Limit as x approaches 0 of denominator x, numerator negative x, e to the negative 3x squared minus sine 2x. Then we plug 0 to this fraction again. We got 0 over 0. We will use L'Hopital's rule again. For negative x, e to the negative 3x squared prime, we have to use product rule. Negative x prime e to the negative 3x squared plus negative x times e to the negative 3x squared prime equals negative 1 times e to the negative 3x squared minus x times e to the power of negative 3x squared prime is here. Negative 6x times e to the negative 3x squared equals limit as x approaches 0 of negative will be positive. Negative e to the negative 3x squared plus 6x squared e to the negative 3x squared. Then minus for sine 2x prime equals cosine 2x times 2. 2 times cosine 2x all over 1. This time we can plug 0 into the top. Negative 1 plus 0 minus 2 times 1 all over 1 equals negative 3.